Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is 27 to power of log of x plus 3 to power of log of x is equal to 68 to find the values of x. In the first step, we write this 27 as 3 to the power of 3 and to the power of log of x and plus this 3 to the power of log of x is equal to 68. And from exponential rule, if we have a to power of m to power of n, we can write this as a to power of n to power of m. So in here we can write this as 3 to power of log of x to power of these 3 and plus this 3 to power of log of x is equal to 68. And next step, we let 3 to power of log of x as t. So we rewrite this equation and it will be t to power of 3 plus t is equal to 68. And next step, we take this 68 to this side, so it will be t to power of 3 plus t minus 68 is equal to 0. And here we can write this negative 68 as negative 64 minus 4, right? Negative 64 minus 4, it will be negative 68. So in next step, we write this t to power of 3 minus 64, this and this together, and plus t minus 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. And this is 4 also. And in here we can write this as t to power of 3 minus 64. We can write 64 as 4 to power of 3 and plus these together, t minus 4 is equal to 0. And here this is in the form of a cube minus b cube and is equal to a minus b times a square plus b times a or ab and plus b square. So we use this formula for this part and it will be t minus 4 times t square plus 4 times t, which will be 40, and plus 4 square and it will be 16, and plus this t minus 4. T minus 4 is equal to 0. And here t minus 4 is common, so we factor t minus 4, and for this part it will be t square plus 40 plus 16, and for this part it will be 1 is equal to 0. And here we have two solutions for t minus 4 is equal to 0 and t square plus 40 and plus 16 plus 1, it will be 17, so plus 17 is equal to 0. In here, t is equal to 4, right? And We recall this t is equal to 3 to power of log of x. So we write 3 to power of log of x is equal to t, and t is 4. And in next step, we apply log of 3 to both sides of this equation, and it will be log of 3 power of log of x to base 3 is equal to log of 4 to base 3, right? We apply log of 3 to both sides of this equation. And in here, from log rules, if we have log of a to power of b, we can write this as b times log of a. So in here we can write this as log of x times log of 3 to base 3, right? We take this power of log of x outside of this log, so it will be log of x times log of 3 to base 3 is equal to log of 4 to base 3. And in here, log of 3 to base 3 is equal to 1, and log of x is equal to log of 4 to base 3. From log rules, if we have log of a to base c is equal to b, from here a is equal to c to power of b. So in here, log of x, the base is 10, right? The base is 10, and c is 10, so we can write x is equal to c is 10 to power of b, and b is log of 4 to base 3. So 10 to power of log of 4 to base 3. So from here, x is equal to 10 to power of log of 4 to base 3. And for this part, t squared plus 4t plus 17 is equal to 0, and the discriminant is equal to b squared minus 4ac. And here, a is coefficient of t squared is 1, and b is coefficient of t is 4, and c is constant is 17. So discriminant is equal to b squared is 4 squared, it will be 16 minus 4 times a is 1, 4 times 1, and times c is 17. And from here, discriminant is equal to 16 minus 4 times 17, it will be 68, and this is equal to negative 52. And negative 52 is less than 0, so in here we have no real solution, and we reject this answer for t. And our final answer for x is 10 to power of log of 4 to base 3. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.